Number 33 says, a plane parallel to the base of a cone slices through the cone at the midpoint. That's going to be important. Between points A and B. Determine the volume of the pink portion of the cone. Leave your answer in terms of pi. Alright, so if we think about the volume of this pink cone, we're going to use the volume of a cone formula, which I'm going to pull straight from the formula sheet. So the volume of the cone, which I pulled from the formula sheet, is 1/3 pi times radius squared times height. Alright, think about this. If this is at the midpoint, then our height's no longer going to be 20. It's going to be half of that. So we're going to be left with a height of 10. And same thing with our radius. Our radius is no longer going to be 6. Our radius is going to be half of that, which is 3. So once we have our height and our radius, and just as a reminder, we were able to divide those in half because we knew it was at the midpoint. So then we just plug it into our volume formula. 1/3 pi times the radius squared times the height. And it becomes a calculator problem from here. 3 squared is 9. 9 times 10 is 90. And 90 divided by 3 is 30. And then we'll just leave pi on our answer. If that totally confused you, just go to your calculator and type this in, and you will get 30 pi.